Hey guys, it's Morgan. Back with another cringy video. So I usually call you Queenies, but I'm just gonna call you some cringy stuff sometimes. So if you haven't heard my voice, I need to clear my throat. But I think I'm losing my voice a little bit. So I'm gonna rare trade with this girl. I'm gonna give her my white drip top, and I'll still have a drip top left, but I'm gonna give her my white drip top for her whole entire Santa set, and it's I think they're ultras even, so I'm pretty excited for this trade. Okay. Yeah, I wish I went on level 2. It's pretty easy around there. But yeah. My brother just didn't. Okay, but yeah, we're not gonna read that. Who likes my new makeup? I actually love my new makeup, so yay. Wait, I want to show you something. When my girl turns, when I have the drip cap on, look what happens when she turns. Like this. See? There's like this little thing, and I never even noticed it. And I noticed it recently, and I was like, what? Like, I get so excited over new things. Yeah, nobody trusts me on their account anymore. And I'm sad. Because I don't I don't hack. I was about to say scam, but I don't scam either, so don't worry. A girl was being really nice. She put me in timeout, and then she started spamming my Gbook, and I couldn't talk for 2 minutes straight, and this is what she was doing the whole entire time. I mean, you're probably like, oh, you could talk, you could do whatever you want, but I listen to people a lot, so I couldn't. And now she cannot see my scam freeze. Scam free, I love ya. Yes. First of all, that's Donnie Boo. And if okay. Yay. So she spams me a lot, but good cause. And if someone walks in, ignore them, please. Don't look at that. Yeah, it confuses me how random people somehow find me. Oh gosh. I'll tell you when since all. Okay. I'm wreck. Recording. We're trading. It's Bart. Say hey. Is it wrong that I still like my ex because I feel good? No. I like reading people's statuses. They're always nobody reads mine. Boy. And when they do, they just are you're a bragger. Why would you say that? Okay. New video up has no views. Say hi back. I'm just gonna say that because I bet you will. If you don't, coming for your fridge. Do you know what fridge means? You know what that means? Food. Ha! I'm gonna come for your food if you do not say hi back to these wonderful ladies who actually want to get pointed out in a video. Offers on this month they are looking for Icy Wave Straws. Okay, someone's gonna walk in pretty soon, so just like ignore that. Ooh. They say hi back. Have I gone into this somewhere? No, she might have went offline. I don't know. Either that, or she's having a struggle trying to find her wares, like I always do. And when she said that she wanted the white one instead of the blue one, it kind of was like, oh my gosh, because I've had the white one for such a long time, but I'm getting really cool ultras for it, and it's a whole entire set, so whatever. And I still have another, like, one, so it doesn't really matter, and I'm not gonna be greedy. Here's a scammer. Dun 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 dun. Okay, I think this was just a mean person hanging on her. And if she does scam, she's gonna get exposed on YouTube, so whatever. Santa hats. Oh, it looks so pretty in it. Looks so pretty, guys. I'm sorry. My drip cap stayed on and I didn't expect it to, and now I look like a weirdo. I don't look like a weirdo, I literally sound like a weirdo. I was just into my trash and I was like freaking out. I don't want to go there. Yeah, she just gifted me. Okay. I'm excited for the boots. Oh my gosh. Dun 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 dun. When I said that I would actually give her the drip top, she was like freaking out, and I was like, "What's so exciting?" Like, I know the rage you get when you first get a drip top. It feels amazing and wonderful. But, like, if I ever gifted a drip top to a person for free, first of all, they would probably either block me or be my BFFs for life. And, like, I don't know what comes next. I have a new gift. I'm scared this is gonna be boots. It's the boots! I have been looking for those boots for you don't even know how long. And I just got them. Okay, now I'm just waiting for the top. And then I'm actually going to show proof that I sent the drip top because I don't want people to call me out for scamming when I don't. Yeah, like people say I'm a scammer and stuff because I spam their G-Book was scammer because they actually scammed somebody. And then when Miss Goldie was a big thing, I was spamming a girl's G-Book. It was scammer because she scammed my friend and like a drip cap and a drip top. So I spammed her with scammer in her G-Book. Then she said, scammer, 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 scammer in my G-Book. And I was like, what? And I had to delete all of it. And I got really shook and I was sad. Sending XX. I love this thing to say. Yay! Okay, I don't know what she's gonna say to me. I have to wait for it to load a little bit. Yeah. I can tell by what pops up on the page a little bit when I'm close to my white drip top, because I used to do drip top glitch all the time, and now I don't a lot, because I just get random gifts, and if you viewed my other video, I bet I'll get some views soon. But if you do, I just want to say thank you, because it actually shows how people keep on gifting me rares that are level ups, and I want to thank them. But I want them to stop at the same time, because I don't want to take people's rares. And like, I just feel disrespectful when I get rares of other people and I didn't even ask for them, and we weren't even like doing a trade. They just like give me, and I'm like, what? Like, the girl was calling me a bragger for saying in my status that I kept on getting random gifts. This may take a while. She probably thinks that I'm scamming her, and I'm scared, because I hate when people call me a scammer and I'm not one. Okay, so I'm gonna have to like hurry up a little bit. Where the hey is my drip? I'm gonna have to click on this and wait for it to load, because maybe the drip will be on this page. Okay, I'm scared. It won't load. Do you know how scary that is? Like, I don't want people to think that I'm a scammer when I'm not, because like, I'll be called scammer and stuff, and I'm not one, and I just don't know where my drip is right now. It's Bart's. If I have words to say that you could recognize, I would just say, I'm sorry for my lag right now. I know that it's not my fault, but like, I feel sad. Like, she has to wait through all of this, and she's probably thinking, oh wow, did I just get scammed my Santa set? I'm scared. What? This is the last page, right? Hello? Okay. Okay, I'm trying to find it. Okay, here it is. It's Bart's. There you go. Okay. I swear to God, if she glitches it back, I'm gonna die. Okay,